Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketers for beginners made simple. Where do you start in this journey? I want to do a special video about this because I was asked this question just earlier today, and I do want to do a video about this, so you don't want to miss this. Watch this complete video. So if this is your first time here at this channel or at this video, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos and notified like videos just like this. Now you know what time it is. You know who this is. This is Adam Shelton, and it's time to go into the deep content about this subject of where do you begin in your affiliate marketing journey. Now there's so many places you technically could start, but when I first started out in it, I went to YouTube. I Googled, then I went to YouTube, and I really just typed in affiliate marketing. And so when everything came out, it was all these different videos about making money in 2 minutes, making $1,000 when you sleep. You know, I remember one of them said, make $15,000 per week by doing nothing. I want to see if I can still find that video, but I remember it was make $15,000 per week by doing nothing. It was a YouTube video that literally said that. So at that time, I bought into the whole shiny object syndrome. I bought into it. I was like, really? I was a little gullible at that time, and so I clicked on and watched the video, and the video wasn't about anything really. It was really about just they flashed a lot of cash in front of the camera, and it basically painted this fantasy like all you have to do is send your link to these people and they'll just buy. It was basically like that. So it was no content, there was no marketing, no value, no done for you, no direction at all. It was just basically a lot of money and basically send your link to these people will buy from you. And so when I did watch the video, I wasn't sold on it at all. See, I got connected with the money, but then when I started looking at the value was terrible. So that was my problem, is that I was going and looking at other things that didn't bring any type of value. And I know you've been through that. I know you've been to a situation where you got caught up. You got caught up in some type of video or some type of deal, and it didn't really give you the content or the value that you were looking for to be able to have success online. So where you start is, what you want to start is, you want to basically start first with your mindset. That was the big thing. I didn't start with my mindset. I was just hunting around online looking for everything. I didn't work on the mindset at all. So I would tell people, work on your mindset, work on yourself better. Work on yourself better yourself, and then find out why you want to do this and what type of affiliate marketing program do you want to do. Do you want to do Amazon products? Do you do eBay products? Do you want to do work from home products? Do you want to make money online products or services? You need to find out exactly what you want to do. Don't look at the money. I made that mistake. I looked at the money and I just started signing up, and then when I found out it wasn't what I wanted to do, because I was looking at the money. Don't look at the money. Look at what you want to do. And then from there, that's when you go ahead and get into a program. Make sure you have a mentor and a coach. That was a bonus. That's a bonus, especially somebody who's done it and has success. So you want to start with your mindset, and then you want to find a program that fits you, that fits what you stand for, that fits your core values and all those type of things. You want to find that. So right below this video, I do have a good core value program that I think you will like, because it's the same program I'm in. The same exact program that I stumbled upon it, I remember, by accident. And I was able to have some success through this program. So it's an online marketing program, digital marketing program that's really changed my life, and it's changing hundreds and hundreds of other people's lives as well. So if you click on the link below, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. You want to go ahead and sign up, watch the video, and then go ahead and email me and contact me back if you need to. If you go ahead and sign up, I'll know that you sign up, and we'll be in communication just when you do sign up. So you definitely want to do this, because it's a digital online marketing company that's going to teach you everything about marketing. And yes, I'm in here as well to help you every step of the way. So you click on the link below, all your troubles will be at least answered, because I'm here to solve your problem. Because I know you got a problem right now. Go ahead and talk. Go ahead. I know you got a problem right now. Right now, there's a problem, and I'm here to solve it. All right, we're gonna solve these problems because when I got online, I had a bunch of problems. At first, they wasn't getting solved, but then when I got a mentor and a coach, they got solved. So click on the link below. I can't wait till you get started. I want you to be the next success story as well. Click on the link below to go ahead and start your online marketing journey or continue your online marketing journey. I can't wait to see you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel and this video, and don't forget to click on the link below. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'll see you later.